Programming is dead. That's what everyone is saying in 2026. AI can write code. AI can fix bugs. AI can build apps. So, what's left for humans? Are software developers about to become extinct? Or is this the biggest lie of the decade? Today, I'll show you the truth, the fear, the facts, and the future of programming after AI. Why some people think programming is dead. AI can now generate working code in seconds. No-code and low-code platforms are making app creation easier than ever. Startups are hiring fewer developers. One engineer can do the work of many with AI. AI plus one developer equals 5 times or more productivity. Junior developers are facing fewer entry-level opportunities. The common fear. Why hire humans when AI can code? In the past, building software meant large developer teams. Today, a single person using AI can accomplish what once took 5. That's intimidating for many. And tools powering this shift are ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Claude, Gemini, auto-debugging and testing tools, AI-driven app builders. So the big question, if AI can code, do we even need programmers anymore? The big misunderstanding. Here's the truth. Programming was never just about writing code. AI is good at patterns, repetition, speed. AI is bad at understanding real business needs, understanding emotions, ethics, long-term thinking, responsibility. AI doesn't understand why, it only knows how. What actually died? Let's be honest, some things did die. These roles are shrinking. Basic code typists, copy-paste developers, people who only follow tutorials, no-thinking programmers. If your entire skill was memorizing syntax, yes, that career is dead. But real programmers? They are more powerful than ever. How AI changed programming. Before AI, it was 70% time coding, 20% debugging, 10% thinking. Now it's 20% coding, 20% debugging, 60% thinking, designing, deciding. AI does boilerplate, repetitive tasks, simple logic, documentation, testing. Humans do architecture, product logic, UX decisions, security thinking, ethics, creativity. AI didn't kill programming, it killed boring programming. Let's check the benefits of AI for programmers. Number 1. Speed. Build in days what used to take months. Number 2. Lower barrier to entry. AI-assisted learning makes programming accessible to more people. Number 3. Less frustration. Instant debugging, testing, and code suggestions. No more banging your head on syntax errors. Number 4. More creativity. Focus on ideas, architecture, and innovation instead of repetitive code. Number 5. Rise of the solo builder. One developer plus AI can launch products that once required entire teams. In 2026, a single developer can build what used to take a whole company. So who will survive and win? Let's talk about future-proof programmers. Problem solvers, system thinkers, product builders, AI users, not AI fighters. People who understand business plus tech, and creators, not coders. The future developer doesn't ask, what code should I write? They ask, what problem should I solve? Who will struggle? The ones most at risk are people who refuse to use AI, ignoring tools that can boost productivity, only memorize syntax, relying on memory instead of problem solving, don't adapt, resisting change in workflows or technologies, neglect thinking skills, focusing on code instead of logic, architecture, and creativity, ignore real-world problems, failing to connect code to actual user needs. Success won't just be about writing code, it'll be about how you think and adapt. There is no doubt that many job roles have become obsolete because of AI's maturity, but as of 2026, programming is not dead. The old version of it is. We're not talking about the distant future, but today, because in the future, AI may mature enough to replace thinkers as well. In 2026, code is cheap, thinking is expensive. The question is no longer, can you write code? The question is, can you build something that matters? AI didn't replace programmers. It exposed the ones who weren't really programmers.